Trump tariffs sending the stock market tumbling again. The Dow down 2,000 points at closing. The other major indices losing more than 5%. Analysts are saying this is Wall Street's worst crisis since the pandemic. President Trump says his move to put tariffs on all imported goods will result in a rebuilt economy where items are made and purchased here in America.
The Fed chief says the new taxes have the potential to do long-term harm to the economy. Erica Brown has more details from Capitol Hill.
Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell says President Trump's sweeping new tariffs run the risk of long-term pain for the economy.
It is now becoming clear that tariff increases will be significantly larger than expected. And the same is likely to be true of the economic effects, which will include higher inflation and slower growth.
Earlier Friday, Trump took to social media, urging Powell to cut interest rates and stop playing politics. Powell says the Fed needs more data on the tariffs' impact before making a move.
We're well positioned to wait for greater clarity before considering any adjustments to our policy stance.
The Fed says it will be monitoring how other countries respond to Trump's tariffs. On Friday, China announced a 34% retaliatory tariff on all American products. The markets tumbled for the second day with the news of the retaliatory tariffs against the U.S., but administration officials insist a rebound will come as American manufacturing is restored.
Markets are crashing because markets are based on the stock value of companies who today are embedded in modes of production that are bad for the United States.
President Trump says he's open to negotiating with trade partners and spoke with the leader of Vietnam, where many American companies manufacture shoes, apparel, electronics, and other products. Trump says Vietnam wants to cut their tariffs down to zero if they are able to make an agreement with the U.S. Erica Brown, CBS News, Capitol Hill.